Need to extract tables or data from a PDF and work with them in a spreadsheet? Adobe Acrobat Pro makes it easy to convert PDF documents into fully editable Excel files in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to convert a PDF to Excel using Adobe Acrobat Pro so you can organize, analyze, and edit your data more efficiently. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your files and tools. Navigate to Recent Files, which you'll typically find on the home screen or in the main menu. This section displays the documents you've recently worked with. From the list, select the PDF file you want to convert to Excel and open it in the viewer. Now that your PDF is open, look at the upper toolbar. You'll see several options available for working with your document. Click on Convert. This feature allows you to transform your PDF into different file formats and is one of the most useful tools in Adobe Acrobat Pro. After clicking Convert, a panel will appear on the left side of the screen showing various conversion options. From this panel, select Microsoft Excel. This tells Acrobat that you want to convert the document into an Excel spreadsheet format. Next, click Convert to XLSX. XLSX is the standard Excel file format and helps preserve formatting, tables, and data structures during the conversion process. A dialog box will then appear asking where you would like to save the converted file. Choose the folder that best fits your workflow, whether that's your desktop, documents folder, or a dedicated project directory. Before completing the process, you can rename the file if you'd like. Giving the spreadsheet a descriptive name can make it easier to identify later. Once you're satisfied with the file name and save location, click Save. Adobe Acrobat will now process the conversion. During this step, the software analyzes the PDF, extracts relevant data and tables, and formats everything into an editable Excel spreadsheet. When the conversion's complete, the Excel file will automatically open, allowing you to review the results and begin working with your data right away. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF into an Excel spreadsheet using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional Adobe Acrobat tips, tricks, and productivity guides.